Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video we have some amazing full 4 content. We have seen the renders, we have seen the high quality marketing materials, and we basically know everything about the full 4 as far as specs are concerned. But now we have a full and complete hands-on leak for the full 4 that exposes it completely, leaving nothing to guesswork. And also make sure to click the link down below to reserve the full 4 or the Flip 4 and the other Galaxy products to get up to $200 in Samsung credit, which is basically free money. So if you have any interest in the full 4, Flip 4, the link's down below. It's a no-brainer. Just lock in the savings. Here are the photos that were released on Twitter by a user known as No Tech. So we can see it from all angles, and it is surprisingly similar to the Fold 3 with some minor differences. So here's the Fold 4 and here's the Fold 3. Here's the Fold 4 and here's the Fold 3. As you can see, they don't look that much different. Now there are some differences. So one of the biggest differences that you do notice is if you look carefully, the hinge mechanism has been reduced in size and looks much slimmer. On the inner and larger unfolded display, again, largely the same, but with a slightly less visible crease, but by no means invisible. Even the build quality is not going to be that far apart. The Fold 3 uses Gorilla Glass Victus for its construction, while the Fold 4 is going to be using Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. Now, Fold 4 was also accidentally listed on Amazon, confirming that it is compatible with the S Pen and that it will be an external S Pen that will need to be purchased separately. But if you do reserve the Fold 4 or pre-order it, most likely you are going to get it for free with your purchase. It appears the biggest improvements of Fold 4 over the Fold 3 will be the processor, which is going to be the latest and fastest Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, which is even faster than the S22 Ultra's processor, which is the 8 Gen 1. Also, the main camera on the Fold will be upgraded to 50 megapixel from Fold 3's 12 megapixel, and hopefully with software enhancements it will be a much better camera, but we will see that in real-life test results. Now, one software feature that will ship with the Fold 4 is the fact that you can now place the app taskbar at the bottom of the screen, which is going to yield better multitasking. On the Fold 3, you only had the option to have it on the left or the right. This one feels more like a computer with an app tray at the bottom. However, this is a software feature, so it is probably going to manifest itself on the Fold 3 via a software update. And finally, we also have the Flip 4 leaked by the same person on Twitter, and basically it looks 90% like the Flip 3, but also with the processor improvements. In the case of the Flip 4, I see virtually no reason to upgrade from the Flip 3 to the 4. But that's basically what we have going on, and like we said, only a few days left before these things are official, before you can pre-order them. Just make sure you reserve them right now using the links down below to get your Samsung credit up to $200. And if you do have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below as well. For now, guys, have a fantastic day, alright? Alright, so if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH by clicking that button, and also click that bell icon on the side to make sure you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, you can follow me at SAKITECH online to get the latest updates as well. Alright, have a fantastic day.